materialistic science. Science don't quantify. They say you can't from a radical materialistic scientific worldview, they say that you can't quantify these phenomena, right? So metaphysics get into this. What mind and matter does. And what is extrasensory perception? Extrasensory perception basically means that all your sensories, your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, all that means that you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear, it's augmented and modified. And it allows you to tap into, things that what we call supernatural, or what science cannot quantify. You can't quantify it scientifically.
Like the internet. We don't even know what it is.
I don't know what the hell
it is still a wild thing, for us. I don't know how old you are, but you're probably in your 40s.
Yeah. No. So why you never ask a man his age? I'm in my 40s.
But I thought we're closer than that.
Yeah. Absolutely.
No, you should never ask someone their age. But really, why would someone get offended by their age? I mean, if life is eternal, then it's just another notch. It's just another notch.
I think it's because a lot of times people are uncomfortable with their weight, their physical.
Right.
A person